This binoculars made by Shuntu optics. This one is the first generation and this one is the second generation. This one is 8x20, this one is 10x25. What's the difference between them? Because the light transmission, this one is quite high, about 91%, and this one is a little bit lower because it's earlier products. It's about 78%. Actually, the size of the object lens is different, 25 and 20, and the size is different, right? This one 10x25 and this one 8x20, but the design is looks like same, a little bit different. The second generation got the silver color. It's a mantle, silver color here for the central focus, and this little thing is diameter adjustment. This one also. It's very beautiful pocket binoculars. This type, this was called STA1B, and this is L series, is the newest series. They both are best pocket binoculars in China until now. They use SMC BAK4, fully waterproof and fog-proof. Most important thing is they use face coating. That is very important. It can let more lights go through the binoculars. That's why you can see very bright image. So the coating is very important. Face coating and SMC. This is the first generation, STA1B. You can see the very great cliff, and there is a pagoda up there on the top of the mountain. The sun is already set, but you also can have very bright image. If you observe with your own eyes, it's brighter than cell phone. This STA1B 8x20. This second generation L1025. 10x25. It will get you closer to the object, but the field of view is narrow compared with 8x20. But you can see the image. The center of the image is very nice, and the edge of the image also nice. Because it's low light right now, the sun already set, but you also can get very bright image. This 10x25